Welcome to the KingFisher Center of Excellence, spanning 75,000 square feet of pure innovation in craftsmanship. Beyond building great boats, we are committed to protecting the waters we love. That's why we've enhanced Swan Lake's shoreline, created turtle nesting pads, and planted over 300 native trees and shrubs to support the local ecosystem. KingFisher is more than just a manufacturer. We're a family-owned company with a deep-rooted passion for boating, adventure, and the environment. KingFisher was founded in 1959 and was acquired by my parents, Byron and Cheryl Bolton, in 1992. Since then, we've pioneered heavy-gauge, welded aluminum boats and set industry benchmarks. With over 160 employees, we're united by a common goal: to build the best aluminum sports fishing and adventure boats on the water. Every KingFisher boat is handcrafted by a team that takes pride in their craftsmanship. To meet growing demand, we've expanded our facility with 2 purpose-built buildings designed for efficiency and safety. Building boats starts with the people. We've prioritized worker training, safety, and ergonomics, adding a raised work platform in our assembly department and updating air purification in our main welding area. KingFisher also sits on the advisory board of our local college to make sure that the skills we need are prioritized in their training programs. By creating a safer and more efficient environment, our team can focus on what they do best: building industry-leading boats. At KingFisher, continuous improvement is a priority. We've modernized our operations by replacing outdated equipment with cutting-edge technology. Among these upgrades, our state-of-the-art CNC weld cell stands out as industry-leading technology, enhancing efficiency and consistency in our welding processes. We've also upgraded our paint processes to include a vapor blasting and bake cycle technology to deliver the highest quality finishing. And our welding team also benefits from new Miller welding machines, ensuring the highest standards of fabrication quality. With these advancements, innovation touches every stage of our manufacturing process, ensuring that each KingFisher boat meets the highest standards of durability and performance.
Innovation never stops at KingFisher. With a continuous stream of new models introduced regularly, our product development team pushes the boundaries of performance and design. Every boat starts as a 3D model, carefully engineered before taking shape in our product development bay, where prototypes are built and refined to perfection. Every project goes through a gated process, from initial concept to design validation to real-world testing and final sign-off, ensuring every model meets our standards for innovation, performance, and craftsmanship.
Every KingFisher boat starts with marine-grade flat-sheet aluminum, cut with CNC precision to ensure accuracy. Our 350-ton brake press forms whole components, delivering a superior strength and durability. Our exclusive pre-flex hull technology ensures a smoother, quieter, and more durable ride. No oil canning, no vibration, just pure performance.
At KingFisher, we blend craftsmanship with advanced automation, what we call KingCraft. This is the combination of our highly skilled workforce and cutting-edge technology, ensuring every weld meets the highest quality standards. Our brand new, state-of-the-art welding equipment enhances precision, consistency, and efficiency, reducing strain on our welders while maintaining the hand-welded craftsmanship that defines our hulls.
Our welders are certified professionals, trained to the highest standards with many years of experience. Their tenure and expertise ensure structural integrity and a level of handcrafted detail you can trust. Our CNC weld cell focuses on sub-assemblies and small parts, like seat boxes and auxiliary helm stations. This allows our skilled team to focus on complex fabrication and hand-built structures. By minimizing airborne particles and reducing physical strain, we're improving safety and maintaining the highest level of craftsmanship in everything we build.
At KingFisher, we've upgraded to a new high-performance paint system that ensures superior durability and a long-lasting finish. Our use of aerospace-grade coatings provides top-tier UV and corrosion resistance, guaranteeing that our boats maintain their exceptional appearance for years on the water. Our vapor blasting technology preps surfaces for optimal adhesion, while our advanced bake cycle significantly increases paint adhesion and reduces emissions by up to 80%, making our process more eco-friendly. This vapor blasting and bake cycle addresses challenges that all aluminum boat builders face and sets us apart from the competition. This also enhances the longevity of our boats in saltwater environments, where corrosion resistance and finish durability are critical for long-term performance. Each finish is applied with the care and the attention you'd expect from handcrafted products, ensuring not just performance, but beauty that lasts.
Our assembly process is designed for seamless integration, bringing all elements together for a superior on-water experience. KingFisher partners with Yamaha Outboards for power and reliability, and Garmin Marine for cutting-edge navigation technology, backed with an exclusive 3-year Garmin warranty. From premium interiors to a smart helm design, every component is handcrafted with precision, ensuring comfort, durability, and style.
We take quality seriously. Every boat goes through a multi-stage inspection and sign-off process with 3 quality inspections per station, whether it's welding, paint, or assembly. Our hull designs have tight tolerances. CNC cut components are accurate to less than 0.010 of an inch, and our fabrication tolerances in some areas are as low as 1/16 of an inch for optimal performance. When you choose KingFisher, you know you're getting a boat that's crafted to last.
At KingFisher Boats, we are shaping the future of aluminum boat building, constantly innovating to build stronger, smarter, and more capable boats. We're also boaters just like you. We know what it takes to handle rough waters, chase that next big catch, and make the most of every adventure. That's why every KingFisher boat is handcrafted with first-hand experience and passion to enrich lives while spending time on the water. Thanks for taking the tour. We'll see you out on the water.